Hey, adventurers and trailblazers! Welcome back to Backpacking Talk, the go-to spot for outdoor enthusiasts who love to explore without the extra baggage. Literally. Today, we've got a special treat cooking up for you. Ever found yourself on a trail wondering how to keep your meals light but flavorful? Stick around because we're diving into the ultimate guide to backpacking meals that are easy to pack, quick to make, and absolutely delicious. And here's the kicker. We're not just talking any meals. We're revealing how to elevate those instant packets and quick bites into gourmet experiences right on the trail. Imagine waking up to a warm, customized oatmeal or ending your day with a mouth-watering couscous dish under the stars. Intrigued? I hope you are. Let's kickstart your day with breakfasts that are as vibrant as the sunrise. Forget bland oatmeal. Picture this: instant oatmeal packets jazzed up with dried fruits, nuts, or even powdered milk. It's the warm, energizing start you need for a chilly morning. Or how about granola with powdered milk? Just add water, throw in some dried fruits or chocolate chips, and voila! A nutritious breakfast that gets you ready for the day's adventure. And for those who want to hit the trail as soon as possible, energy bars paired with fresh fruits like apples or oranges are your best friends. Quick, nutritious, and oh so convenient. Moving on to lunch, imagine unwrapping a delicious wrap filled with tuna or chicken, accented with a squeeze of mayo or mustard. It's protein-packed, no-cook, and hassle-free. Or indulge in the classic yet unbeatable peanut butter and honey sandwiches on flatbreads. High calories, easy to make, and squish-proof. And let's not forget about the dynamic duo of hard cheese and salami with crackers. No fridge? No problem. Snacks are the unsung heroes of the trail. Create your own trail mix or grab those energy bites for that quick boost. And don't overlook fruit leathers. Sweet, chewy, and oh so satisfying. As the sun sets, it's time for dinner. Picture this: a comforting bowl of dehydrated bean soup or a savory instant noodles, dish enhanced with veggies and spices. And for a quick, filling meal, couscous with dried vegetables and spices is a game changer. Dessert in the wilderness? Absolutely. Instant pudding or a piece of dark chocolate can be the perfect end to your day. And remember, packing multi-use ingredients and considering cooking time are key to a light backpack and a satisfied belly. So there it is, your guide to keeping meals on the trail light, tasty, and hassle-free. If you love these tips and tricks, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure with us. Check out the link in the description below. Your taste buds and backpack will thank you. Until next time, keep exploring, stay hungry for adventure, and remember, the world is your oyster, and the trail, your banquet. Catch you on the trails!